Breaking news we're tracking at the moment regarding a chilling new threat from Pakistan's most wanted terror outfit. The band Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan, or TTP, has released a fresh video throwing a direct challenge to none other than Pakistan Army Chief General Asim Munir. This message from TTP commander Kazim dares Asim Munir to face him on the ground in Kohat while mocking the Pakistani military for sending what he calls helpless soldiers to their deaths. This comes after the TTP claimed to have killed 22 Pakistani soldiers in Kurram on the 8th of October, while the Pakistan Army has acknowledged only 11 casualties. Aditya Raj Kaul breaks down the latest details for us.
Well, this is a big development coming in that NDTV has accessed videos that have been released by Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan threatening Asim Munir, the Pakistan Army Chief, the so-called Field Marshal, self-appointed Field Marshal, claiming that he should not send helpless Pakistani soldiers to get killed in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and the Afghan-Pakistan border, but instead come himself to actually taste the music and sense the music of the TTP in Pakistan. Of course, this comes at a time when there have been various clashes that have been reported between Afghanistan and also Pakistan. There's been a ceasefire that has been reached after negotiations in Qatar. But at this moment, of course, there are several attacks that have been launched by the TTP against the Pakistan Army, the Frontier Corps and the Pakistani police forces, particularly in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, but also in Balochistan and other areas of Pakistan. As of now, of course, there are multiple videos that have been released by the TTP. This is also of an attack that took place in Khurram agency of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa on the October 8th, where the TTP claims that 25 Pakistani soldiers were killed. A lot of ammunition, including AK-47 and AK-56, were recovered, and Pakistani army vehicles were also captured by the TTP. The Pakistan Army on its part says that only about 11 Pakistani soldiers were killed in that attack on October 8. Even as the TTP's attacks against the Pakistan Army continue, new videos clearly indicate that all is not well in Pakistan. The security situation is deteriorating, and the TTP continues to launch massive attacks against the Pakistan Army. In fact, one of the attacks and the videos released of the attack is of Kazim, who's the top commander of the TTP, and the Pakistan's KPK government has just put a bounty of several million against Kazim, who is the top commander of the TTP. What will be the role of the Pakistan Army now remains to be seen, but TTP continues its anger and its terror activities against the Pakistan Army across the KPK.